Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to talk about something that could totally transform your health journey. We're diving into the world of healthy sugar alternatives. So if you're looking to cut down on refined sugar and live a healthier lifestyle, stay tuned. First up, we have mashed bananas. These are an amazing one-to-one substitute for refined sugar. Not only do they add natural sweetness, but they also bring extra moisture to your baked goods. Perfect for those banana bread recipes, right? Next on the list is applesauce. Similar to mashed bananas, applesauce can replace sugar in your recipes while giving them a sweet and creamy texture. Just make sure you're using the unsweetened kind. Coconut sugar is another fantastic option. It's a lower glycemic alternative, meaning it won't spike your blood sugar levels as much. Plus, it's packed with minerals like iron and zinc. You can use it one-to-one in your recipes just like regular sugar. Now let's talk about honey. This natural sweetener is not only delicious, but also has antimicrobial and antioxidant properties. Remember to use it in moderation though, about 1/2 to 2/3 cup of honey for every 1 cup of sugar. Maple syrup is another powerhouse sweetener. It's rich in minerals and antioxidants. Use it in moderation as well, about 1/2 to 2/3 cup for every 1 cup of sugar. Blackstrap molasses is a hidden gem. It's loaded with minerals like calcium, magnesium, and potassium. You can use it in baked goods or as a sweetener, just 1 tablespoon for every 1 cup of sugar. For those looking for zero-calorie options, stevia is a great choice. It's 200 to 400 times sweeter than sugar, so use it sparingly to avoid a bitter aftertaste. Monk fruit is another zero-calorie sweetener. It's 150 to 200 times sweeter than sugar and has a lovely fruity flavor. Again, use it in moderation. Date paste is a natural sweetener made from dates. It comes with fiber and antioxidants, perfect for baking or as a topping. Use 1 tablespoon for every 1 cup of sugar. Finally, we have yacon syrup. It's a low-calorie sweetener with prebiotic properties. Use it in moderation, about 1/2 to 2/3 cup for every 1 cup of sugar. Always remember to choose unsweetened and unflavored options for these alternatives. Adjust the amounts according to your taste and recipe requirements. That's it for today, folks. I hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health tips and recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.